Hello, welcome back to the third video in our tutorial series. Here we'll cover view types and the various view types available in Opendashboard. In our last video, we went over databases and pages. If you haven't gone over it, please watch the video to familiarize yourself with it. That said, Opendashboard offers various view types designed to give you flexibility in how you work. They are table, board, form, document, dashboard, and summary. Let's explore each of them in more detail. First up, table view. This is a spreadsheet-styled format for rendering your database. It is ideal for easily managing large volumes of data at a glance. Customize the columns as you see fit, filter and sort records by your desired criteria. You can add, update, and delete columns as we showed in the previous video. Add records, update cells, and delete records. Editing the database from the table is collaborative. Any change made is available to other pages and views reading the database. Adding filters to the table only applies to this session. If you want a filter or sort criteria to be persisted, use the default filter and sort instead. You can access that by clicking the three dots beside the Views controls. Board View uses a visual Kanban-style interface to render your database, perfect for tracking tasks or project workflows. Organize items into columns and easily move tasks between stages that represent different statuses in your workflow. You can create new stages, hide existing stages, and customize the order of stages to your liking. The board view can only be grouped by select column type. Similar to the table, adding filters only applies to the current session. If you want a filter or sort criteria to be persisted, use the default filter and default sort instead. You can access that by clicking the three dots beside the Views controls. Next, we have Form View. Create customizable forms that feed directly into your database for seamless data collection. Use it to gather information both internally from your team and externally from clients or users. Each form submission automatically populates your database, making it easy to organize and track responses without manual data entry. Note that editing a form is collaborative, so any change made to it is instantly available to other people using it. For more formal reports or wikis, Document View is your go-to. You can create documents and collaborate on them for streamlined knowledge sharing and process management. Whether it's project notes, internal policies, or long-term records, this view allows you to structure your content clearly and professionally. Work with your team in real time to build documents that keep everyone aligned, ensuring important information is easily accessible and well organized. Dashboard View provides a comprehensive overview of your business's performance. Visualize real-time insights and monitor key metrics, perfect for tracking business performance. This view allows you to display charts, graphs, and other data visualizations, giving you a clear overview of your progress and KPIs at a glance. Note that editing a dashboard is collaborative, so any change made to it is instantly available to other people using it. Finally, Summary View gives you a quick, high-level overview of your data. You aggregate records to get a concise, high-level view grouped by the field of your choosing. This view helps you quickly identify trends, track progress, and monitor key metrics by condensing large data sets into a focused overview based on your selected criteria. Perfect for spotting patterns and making informed decisions at a glance. Summarization can be grouped by any column. Similar to the table, adding filters only applies to the current session. If you want a filter or sort criteria to be persisted, use the default filter and sort instead. You can access that by clicking the three dots beside the Views controls. On adding columns, you can decide whether to show the values or aggregate them into a single figure, such as the count, %empty, the sum of the values, etc. Before we end, let's recap what we have done so far. We went over the various view types available in Opendashboard and how to use them. In the next video, we'll go over sharing and permission in Opendashboard.